Hi everyone, this is Derek with Lyonic. This video is a walkthrough of installing the Google Chrome web browser extension for your Lyonic Lock password manager, also known as Passportal. First, open Google Chrome and do a Google search for Passportal Chrome extension. Choose the search result that takes you to the chrome.google.com URL. This is the extension here. Click on Add to Chrome. Then we'll confirm by clicking Add Extension. The extension is now installed. Now that the extension is installed, we need to pin it to the toolbar, and then we can log in. To pin it to the toolbar, first click the extension icon in the toolbar. This looks like the puzzle piece. Then click the push pin next to Enable Passportal. And we can now see the icon up in the toolbar. Let's log in. Click the icon with the key, and then log in with your Lyonic Lock credentials, the email, your password, your organization key, and then choose your country under location. Once logging in, if you have multi-factor authentication enabled, you'll be prompted to enter your code. You'll then be logged in to see all of your credentials. That's all for now, everyone. If you're using Firefox, check out our training links. We have another walkthrough of the same process using Firefox. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.